A warm welcome to one and all. In this session, let's learn about structure of a C++ program. Topics to be covered in this session are structure of C++ program, example program, and client-server architecture. Let's learn the structure of a C++ program. It contains various sections, namely include statement section, class declaration section, class function definition section, and main program section. Include statement section contains preprocessor statements that includes various header files which are required for the program. Namespace. A namespace is a declarative region that provides a scope to the identifiers which are used inside the program. It is also used to resolve identifier name conflicts. So this ensures that two objects can have same name and yet to be treated differently if they belong to different namespace. STD is a namespace contains predefined identifiers like cout, cin in iostream header file. If these namespace is not used, then computer finds them and throws an error to the users. Next, class declaration section. So the class contains data members and member function which can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. The function declaration establishes the names and characteristics of the function but does not allocate storage for it. The function definition specifies the body for a function, associates an identifier with the functions, and also allocates storage for it. The function definition can be done inside the class and also outside the class. So if it is done outside the class, it is being given in class function definition section. Next, main function section. So the main function is the place where the start of the execution of the program is being done. And it also creates the object for the class which are being used in the program. Hope you all are clear in structure of the C++ program sections. Let us learn the structure of a C++ program using this example. Let's start from include statement section. Hash include iostream represents the preprocessor statement include and the header file iostream. Using namespace std represents the scope of the identifiers which are all used inside the program. Next, class declaration section. So class A is example for class declaration section where class is a keyword and capital A is a class name. Class always starts with open curly parenthesis. Public is access specifier for the variables declared inside the class. Int A is equal to 10 represents that the variable A is declared as integer data type and assigned with value 10. Public is access specifier for the functions declared inside the class. Void add-off is a function declared inside the class A. So void is the return type of the function A, which means that void does not return any value to the calling function. The function add performs A is equal to A plus 5. Next, void show of semicolon. This is the function declaration statement, which implies that the function does not have function definition inside the class. Finally, the class is entered with close curly parenthesis followed by semicolon. Next, class function definition. The function definition is done using scope resolution operator double colon. Void A scope resolution show of implies that the show function belongs to the class A. This function uses cout statement to display the value of the variable A. Next, main program. It is the starting point of the execution. So int main function returns the value of integer data type. Next, object creation for class A. Class A has object small a. So using the object small a, we can access the method add and show, which is available in the class A. Finally, return 0 statement. It returns the value 0 to the main function, which indicates that the successful execution of the C++ program. Finally, let's check out the execution of the program. So we all know that the starting point of the execution of any program is from main function. So here for the class A, we have created the object A. Using the object A, I'm accessing the method add. So in add function, we perform A is equal to A plus 5. We know that the value of A is 10 and it is being incremented by 5. Now the value of the variable A is 15. So next in main method, using the object, we are accessing the method show. So the show performs cout statement and displays the value of the variable A. We all know that the value of the variable A is 15, which is displayed to the user as the output. Hope you all are clear in structure of the C++ program with this example. Client-server architecture. The structure is also known as client-server architecture. In client-server architecture, client requests for a service to server and server provides the service to the client. One client can get service from more than one server, and similarly, one server can provide service to multiple clients. The same fundamental is used here. Class act as a server and the main program act as a client. The main program client can be using more than one class, that is a server. Similar to that, one class can be used for more than one main program. Thank you all.